you're lucky you didn't damage your body. Do you know what
Yeah,
I mean by that? You're lucky you didn't. Um, there's a lot of people out there now who've gotten so obese that when they lose the weight, their shit's all fucked up. They're like like when a car gets totaled,
yeah, yeah,
like in the frame bends, and they're
yeah,
like, hey, you could still drive it sometimes, but like your car will never be the same. Like you
yeah,
could have, you look like you're pretty close to doing that to yourself.
yeah. Especially if I'd have stayed in the habits I was doing back then up to the age of like 18, 19, that would have been, yeah, bad news. And I think my dad recognised that, and he was the one that said, look, pretty much you need to lose some weight, because if you carry on the path you're going, you're not going to be you're not going to be very happy as you grow up. And my mum, being my mum, she was like, no, he doesn't need to change. He's perfect how he is. But my dad was like the realist, and he was like, look, come on, we need to sort this out now because it's getting a bit out of control.
Did that put tension between your mom and your dad?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they had several arguments about it when I was younger. My mum's saying he doesn't need to change. I think my dad's saying he does. He's getting too big. And the thing that really sparked it was he basically said, "I'll buy you a PlayStation 2 if you lose some weight." So he bribed me into shifting the pounds.
How did you? So you were 11 years old or 12 years old when your
Yeah,
dad said something.
11, 12, yeah. Yeah, and he said, right, we'll make a deal because I really wanted the PlayStation 2 at the time. He was like, I'll buy you a PlayStation 2 if you lose some weight over the course of the month. If you do it, then at that month we'll go get a PlayStation 2. You can buy a game, and then you've achieved it. So I
How
remember,
much did you weigh then? Do you know when he told you that?
no, never. People always ask me. I can never remember how much it was. Can't remember how much I lost in that time. But I do
But you
remember.
big, you're big, you're a big kid. You think you were
Yeah,
200 pounds? You think you were 200 pounds?
no, 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 no.
No.
I don't think so. Um, but yeah, so he basically said, right, we'll measure you now, we'll weigh you now. In a month's time, we'll do it again. And he left it up to me as well, which is my dad's always good at that. He didn't just say, right, now you're going to be eating this, you can be eating this, you're going to train this times a week. He said, look, this is if you want to do this, you figure out how to do it. Um, and I'll reward you at the end. So I just basically said to myself, right, if I'm having 6 McDonald's a week, if I have 2 a week, I'm pretty much going to lose some weight. So I just cut back on the junk food. Didn't do any other exercise, just literally cut back the junk food probably by 50%. And then after the first month, I remember I was really nervous. We had the tape measure out. I lost a couple of inches on my stomach, lost some weight. And my dad was like, right, amazing, you've done it. You did it on your own. Let's go buy your PlayStation 2. And I remember going to Toys R Us, just this absolute like mansion of toys everywhere. Got to choose the console, got to choose my game.
Dude, Toys R Us was dope.
Yeah, it was just literally the best like toy store when you were a kid. It was just like heaven.
Yes. Yes.
Um, and yeah, it felt great. Felt great to have achieved something. It was the first time where I'd like set a goal, work towards it for a period of time, and then achieve that goal. And it was a really good feeling, and I really enjoyed it.